gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have a very large haul from the Diva Bag by Sonya website. Now, Sonya unfortunately did have to cancel her monthly bag subscription that she had, but she still had the website open, so I went on there and I bought a whole bunch of stuff. She had some mystery bags and some other goodies that I wanted to get my hands on. So without further ado, let's see all the super fun stuff I got from the Diva Bag by Sonya website. Okay guys, so here is my very, very large box. Oh my gosh, and it is hefty, that I got from Sonya's website. So she had mystery bags on there, and I just got 2 of each because I was going to give away one and keep one. But I'm pretty sure they'll probably both be very different. So I'm going to be very selfish. I'm going to open up the bags in later videos, and I'm going to determine what I want to keep and then what I want to give away. So I'm going to be selfish there. Sorry guys, but you know, I did pay for it. So at any rate, let's go ahead. Oh my gosh, there is so much stuff in here, you guys. So I don't even know how to do this because they are in bags, literally. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so here's a sneak peek at one of the bags here. So check this out. I'm going to open, oh my gosh, you guys, this thing is so incredibly full. I mean, this is really, really full. So I'm going to open this up in a later video because this video is going to get way too long because I got like 2 of each bag. So I guess I can decide as I get deeper down in here if I want to open up one in this video. But these 2 bigger bags are definitely going to be in a different video. So here's the other one, guys. Like I said, I got 2 of each. So she gave me 2 that are very close to the same size with like the same kind of stuff in there. There is so much in here. Oh my gosh. So again, I'm going to be extremely selfish. I'm going to determine what I want to keep and what I want to give away. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to do it. I'll think about that and decide it later. Oh, she provided a Mary Kay book. Oh, so Sonya's selling Mary Kay. So I'm definitely going to take a look at this. I don't buy Mary Kay very often, but, you know, I'll definitely check it out. Why not? Okay, so then we have this other little bag here that is full of goodies. Let's just unzip it here. I'm going to have to open these because you guys aren't really, oh my gosh, going to get an idea of what this haul is like unless I open it up. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's nowhere to even put this stuff. I've done so many hauls lately, it's out of control. Okay, so then we have this bag here, also full of a bunch of little goodies. Oh my gosh, you guys, this stuff is so jam-packed. Wow, I mean, so full, like all of it. So, I mean, I am sorry. Most people would just like pick a bag that they're going to keep for themselves and like, you know, give a bag away. I am going to be selfish because I paid a lot of money for all this stuff. So I'm going to be selfish and I'm going to decide what I want to keep and what I want to give away. Oh, this is cute. Vacation calories don't count. Oh, I wish they didn't. That is cute though. I so wish they didn't count. Oh my gosh, you guys, oh, this one's cool. Oh my gosh, stop it. She's got a note in here. Oh, this is the bold. Okay, so this is a bold one. Look, it's got money on it. Oh my gosh, that's exciting. So I'm probably going to keep that part for myself at any rate. So I got bold and I think mild, and there's like, I don't know, guys. I got a lot of stuff. So I'm going to say that these 2 are the bold ones. And then I think I got like a neutral, and then I got a, I forget what else the other one was called. Maybe Everyday or something. So this one says selfie kit. Somebody is going to get this bag because I do already have it. Most likely. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so fun. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it is so, they are so full. I know I keep saying that, but you guys, oh my gosh, they are so incredibly jam-packed. She hooked me up. She said she was gonna, and boy, did she hook me up. I'm just saying. Ah, girl, thank you, Sonya. This is awesome. Okay, so it looks like I got a bunch of little Mary Kay samples here. So this is a gel eyeliner. Yeah, I can open it up. So it looks like little mini guys. Okay, so look how little they are. They're so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Okay, and then this here has a little box that says gel eyeliner. Okay, let's see here. Gel eyeliner. Yeah, Mary Kay. So that's cool. Let me open this up because I've never really seen an eyeliner that isn't, you know what I mean? Oh, it's a color. This is, it's like a purpley color. Oh, okay. Look at that, guys. Okay, there you go. So I'm definitely going to keep this for myself anyway, so that's all well and fine. I wasn't sure what this was, because when I think eyeliner, I think of the little sticks, you know, that you put on, but I'm sure there's various different methods to putting on eyeliner and ways that they do it. So there you go. There's that one. All right. So, oh, this is so stinking cute. Look. Oh, I have several of these and I rotate them all the time when I do my mask in the mornings, because I do a mask every day. I don't do the mask Mondays, but I do a mask every day. Ooh. Oh, that smells. It sounds like it's going to smell awesome. I didn't smell it yet. So we got banana bread and apple pie. I actually can smell one of them. Ooh, it's the apple pie from far away. So these are soy wax melts. Okay, I'm going to try to do it like this, guys. I don't know if they're both facing the right way or not. Nonetheless, they're soy wax melts and these two different scents. I'm definitely going to keep these for myself. I love this kind of stuff. So these are definitely for me. That's awesome. What else do we have? Okay, this looks like it's another headband thingamabobber. Let me put it this way. So it's got nice roses and flowers on it. That's super, super pretty. Okay, that's awesome. We're going to sit that right there. Oh my gosh, you guys, this box is so incredibly full. What is this? Beach Babe, Meet Your Own Hydrating Lipstick. Okay, so we have some lipstick samples. It's Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipstick samples. So that's super fun. I will probably most likely keep those for myself as well and see what I can do with those. Oh, we have a neon gel liner. Oh, well, that sounds quite fun. Again, something else that will probably be for me because this sounds extremely fun and something that I would like to do. So I'm getting a lot of stuff, huh? I did pay for it though, right? I'm just saying. Okay, back to what I was doing. Okay, so we have a body wash sample here. That's super fun. I might put that one in a giveaway. We'll have to see. I'm not sure yet. And, oh, okay. So we have Coconut Kiss. Oh, it looks like she gave me one of each scent, which is super, super fun. Okay. And then I also have Fruity. Okay. So I'll probably put these in as a little bonus type situation in some of my giveaways for this month. I am doing a ton of giveaways. Oh, we have another one. Sweet Cinnamon. Oh, that sounds so, so good. I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick sniff. Okay, I can smell the cinnamon. It's not super strong, but it might be even stronger when I start to melt it down in the wax melter thingamabobber. Okay, guys, I love this clean color eyeshadow palette, but I do already have it, so somebody is going to get this at some point. So here it is. It is a great palette, you guys. I absolutely love it, and because I already have it, I can do an eye look with it in a video, and then I will give this one away. Awesome. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I wanted to check out these. She has these color eyeliners on her website. Okay, so let me find. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not organized at all for this because I kind of wanted to open up with you because I knew it was going to be a surprise. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. However, hang on. I think that's purple and that's pink. So it looks like I got 2 of everything except for, I probably grabbed 2 of everything that she had, and then she might not have had 2 of the pink, so I just got 1 for myself, which is fine. I mean, so it looks like I got 2 of each of these except for 1 because there wasn't 2 available. So I'm just going to put this back in the bag because this is getting a little crazy here, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to jump off camera and I'm going to put little, lines on my hand to show you what each of these eyeliners look like because I'm really super excited about them. I hope they're super fun. Oh my gosh, I forgot about these. So she had these awesome stamps for your eyes that were in multiple different colors. So I got 1 of each color that she had available. I'll also do a little sample of that and put it on my hand for you guys to take a look at. And the last thing in here before I come back with my little swatches is this amazing, are these going to fall everywhere? Probably. Let's try to figure this out. It is so super fun jacket. I will try this on for you guys. As soon as I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I must have it. Oh, it is so cool, guys. It is even better in person. Okay, that's just a little, look at this, you guys. It says she is strong. How fun is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. And I'm going to do, it's got a hood on it and everything. And it looks like, yeah, it's going to go all the way down, right? Okay. So, I don't know. I just thought it was super fun. And the fact that it says she is strong with the cross. Oh my gosh, I just love it, you guys. I think this is such a cute jacket. So I'm going to try the jacket on for you guys. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and swatch. Well, I guess, is it a swatch? I guess you call that a swatch of the jacket's about to fall. Boom. A swatch of all of the eyeliners. I'll come back and show those to you. And I will also show you those wing stamps, which I'm so super excited about. All right, let me jump off, do that stuff, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I swatched everything and I gotta say, these eyeliners that I showed you, the whole bunches of them, I was thinking it was like a crayon kind of a situation, but they're not. They're liquid, and I'm sure it probably said that in the description. I just didn't read it clear enough. I just saw the different colors and got really excited. So at any rate, I did swatch them all, so here they are. They go on very nicely and they look great against my skin tone, so I'm super excited to give those a try. Even though they're not what I was thinking they were, they're still going to be great and super fun. So I went ahead and these wing stamps, I went ahead and did, I don't know if you can call them swatches, stamps of those. So, oh my gosh, it's on my arm here. Hopefully I can get this to you guys. So look, here's the blue, the purple, and the pink, and the yellow didn't show up at all. So let me show you the little stamper things here, because for whatever reason, the yellow looks super nice and bright. See here? Let me try this part. I'm getting a little bit on that, but here's the stamper part right here. That is not working on my skin very well at all. So I just did it right here. I don't know if you guys are going to see it or not. So it doesn't seem to be working very well with my skin tone. And then I had a similar issue with this pink one. It's super nice and bright. Ooh, that went on really nice right there. But the stamper part right here, it's not going on. It's just not going on as good as I would like for it to. I just did those two swatches right there. However, you can see the pink when I draw with it. So I don't know. We're going to have to see how those things go, guys. But that was a really long video, and I didn't even really show you guys very much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do separate videos throughout the month with this stuff that I bought from the Diva bag by Sonya website. And I'm going to do giveaways for sure, but I'm going to decide what I want to keep and what I want to give away in each video. Yes, I'm going to be selfish in that respect because Sonya has so much cool stuff that I just don't want to miss anything really cool that I could keep for myself. I'm just saying. So yes, I'm going to be a little bit selfish. Okay, so look forward to future videos where I'm going to be giving stuff away from this Diva bag by Sonya haul that I have here. I do not have a giveaway for you in today's video, but I will have one in my next video where I'm going to open up the bags of the Diva bag by Sonya stuff. All right, guys, I'm not sure if Sonya still has the website up or not. She's doing a remodel on her home, so she might not have the website up and running at this time, but she will have it back up soon, I'm sure, because she does have a lot of things she'd like to get rid of. So I have a link to her website in the description box below. That's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have a very large haul from, okay, I don't, like, they can't see the box, so it looks weird that I'm touching a box that nobody can see but me. I'm just saying, let's try it again. So Sonya unfortunately had to cancel her bag, but she still had yep, that. Woo! Bam! Hefty, guys. Woo! Look at this. Oh my gosh. And it is super heavy. So I got one of each of her makeup. Hold on. What did I buy? Wow, I don't remember. All right, hold on.